Hello everyone, my name is Shimon Ifra and welcome to Build and Deploy Web Applications with Microsoft Azure. About me. My name is Shimon and I'm an IT professional, cloud computing and DevOps expert with 15 years of experience in the IT industry. In the last 15 years, I've been working for the largest managed service providers and tech companies in the world. Over the years, I've designed, deployed, and managed very large and complex IT environments and gained extensive knowledge in cloud computing. I've also written more than 1,200 technical articles for leading IT blogs that were viewed and helped millions of IT professionals and software developers worldwide. In this course, we will learn. In section 1, I will show you how to deploy Windows and Linux web apps on Microsoft Azure. In section 2, we will go through the process of creating App Services Plan. In section 3, we will go through the process of creating cloud storage on Microsoft Azure. In section 4, I will show you how to deploy a network load balancer on Microsoft Azure from scratch. In section 5, I will deploy a Node.js application into containerized apps on Microsoft Azure. In section 6, I will create a MySQL database on Microsoft Azure and show you how to manage it and connect to it. To finish the course, in section 7, I will show you how to backup and restore your virtual machines and web apps on Microsoft Azure. For this course, you would need basic knowledge in Microsoft Azure and basic knowledge about web applications.